We're Allie and Holly, and we recently resigned from our teaching jobs, packed up our lives in the UAE, and set out on our first international trip to Costa Rica. Here's our last day in the UAE.
Good morning everyone. It is 6:45 in the morning, and for this vlog we decided to do something a little bit different. We've got just over 24 hours for our last day in the UAE, and we decided to document what we got up to. There's a lot of things that need to be done. I need to pack. My clothes are everywhere. My apartment currently looks like a bomb's gone off there, but I am not panicked. Like I said, we've got a lot of things to do, and let's see how this day goes. The first thing I'm doing is driving to the gym. I wake up super early in the morning, get the gym out of the way. Just got to the gym. Bodies by Mark. Yeah. Round one.
What he's doing, he's running back and setting the camera so he misses some of the round. He thinks I'm born yesterday. Put that on your YouTube, fella. Let them know what you really like.
Remember a time before the internet? How did people get things done?
It's crazy, isn't it?
Mate, yesterday we were just trying to figure out like times our flight. Oh, check your phone. No internet. Can't load it. And then we're just stuck. Like, and that is just a warm up. Now we start the
now
real
we're going to
session.
start the main session, Ali. You've done really well. Your body's really warm. Your muscles are.
Oh, favorite part of the day done. Those are my gloves, forever enshrined in Rashaka history.
My favourite part of the day when I get to say goodbye to Ali. No, that was rude. That was out of order.
Oh, thanks. Boxing is done. I'm gonna miss doing it. It's one of my favorite parts of the day. And now to business. Got some paperwork that needs sorting out, so have to go to a cafe because I don't have internet. So it's 10 o'clock now. What was supposed to be literally a 3-minute task online ended up taking nearly 2.5 hours because the systems weren't working, and I had to drive all the way back into town, which is a half an hour ride. But it's all done. Now I'm driving back home, going to pick up Holly. I'm gonna try not to get impatient or just annoyed at the little things. It's a good day. It's a good day. Can't let bad vibes affect me. Well, hello there.
Hello. How are you?
Steady. I had, I think, 1.5 breakdowns.
Oh, that's it?
A couple of false starts, but just too blessed to be stressed.
So where are we headed now?
So we picked up Holly. Now we're working as a team, and nothing can stop us. We're gonna go to the mall, pick up the car, the rental car. This baby unfortunately isn't the last couple of hours with it. Once the rental car is picked up, I am going to figure out some bank stuff that I need doing, head back home, load up the rental car with all of the dog stuff and even our packed bags, and then hit the road again to drop off this car, come back and just tie up loose ends. So we got the car, that's Holly driving in front. So we've packed up everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're almost ready.
This is it. I say goodbye to my little figs. Sad day, but I know it's in good hands, so that makes it much better. Anyway, we have to go. Sun is bearing down. We are dying. Got things to do. Too blessed to be stressed.
Bye, Figs. You are good to us.
It is 3:30 and we have finally finished everything.
I'm so hot right now. I'm
dying.
I'm ready to go to the airport, get on a flight,
and leave.
And be done with packing. Packing's hard work. Even if you don't have a lot of things, you still have a lot of things.
It just all adds up, small little pieces, this, that, but finally we got it done. Quite sad to leave the apartment, but you know, do bigger and better things. Right, finished. Next stop, Dubai.
Boston. Oh,
Dubai.
doggy daycare, here we come. You can't be going to doggy daycare looking messy, even though, I mean, look at his beard. He said as soon as he gets there, he's gonna ask for the full grooming package so he can look nice for the ladies at doggy daycare.
How are you feeling?
I have really bad anxiety because I worry a lot about my dogs, and leaving them for 6 weeks, I know they're going to be well taken care of, and I know they're going to have fun playing with other dogs, but I miss them, and yeah, I just get nervous. Okay, so we just dropped off Chloe and Gumbo to my buddy. They'll be there for 6 weeks, and I was very nervous about it before. And then once we saw them interacting with all the dogs at the doggy daycare, they seemed happy, like they were having fun. So I feel like I can rest and be okay with it.
They seemed happy, just a bit bewildered, but I'm assuming they'll get used to the environment pretty quickly enough.
I hope so. Yeah, they seemed happy. They should be all right. Okay, now on to the next task.
We can see the light at the end of the tunnel.
Almost airport time.
It's the final stretch. So it is 8 o'clock. We are officially 12 hours away from our flight, and we've checked in. Things are good. Things have finally calmed down after nearly a week of just rushing and panic and just getting things done. So I decided to pick out my outfit. Got the Brady shirt.
Where are you going?
Got the red socks. Holly does not approve. It is now 5 o'clock. We're just about to head out.
So first thing of the day, Ali saved the facial mist from the Burj Al Arab, and he told me I couldn't use it, and it's now missing. So I think that's...
Because when we're going to be traveling after a long flight, this is going to be perfect. And then don't come asking, can I have some facial mist? When you're going to look haggard and tired, and I'm going to be coming off the plane fresh. And I forgot my toothbrush, so we have to buy a toothbrush before we go to the airport.
And he even threw away a toothbrush that had never been used before.
So hopefully smooth sailing from here on out.
Okay, where are we headed to, Al?
Buy a toothbrush.
So we have to get gas for the rental car and drop it off at the airport. Alright, so we've gone through security. I'm about to eat breakfast. Ali's already eaten breakfast. We're about to go to the gate and board the plane.
Feels weird to be in an airport. It's been over 8 months since we've traveled, but it feels a lot longer, and I'm getting excited now.
I know.
It's so getting real.
Yeah.
No turning back. We've got our one-way ticket.
Everything went smoothly too. There was no issue at all. Everything was good.
No hiccups, no nothing. Now it's just the 13-hour flight to tackle.
And I'm exhausted. I don't feel like my body's had time to recover. We have boarded the plane and we're just waiting to take off.
We're sitting right at the end. We're hoping the seats next to us are empty. And now we've got a 14
Almost 14
hour
hours.
flight.
And then we'll be in Boston. Ooh, yay.
What did we get?
Hey, you didn't even need to buy a toothbrush at the gas station this morning. We have an orange toothbrush, some earplugs, some stickers, do not disturb, wake me up for food, and wake me up for duty free. Expo 2020, an eye mask, and some orange socks. Nice little kit.
So we are being treated. We got this luxury thing, and now we got 2 masks and some hand sanitizer, which I'm sure by the end of the flight, Holly's bottle will be empty, and then as a result my one will be empty as well, because she would have taken all of mine.
enjoy your flight with Emirates.
Flight time into Boston today will be 13 hours and 5 minutes cruising to 36 altitude.
The plane is going to start descending in half an hour. We are now officially over America. It's been a long flight, but it wasn't too bad. We got some nice rest, lots of food, lots of solo documentaries. 13 hours went by pretty quickly.
Welcome to Boston Logan International Airport, where the local time is 2:20 in the afternoon, and the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. On behalf of the entire crew, we would like to thank you for flying Emirates, and we do hope that you enjoyed your flight with us today, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
We just made it to Boston, so we're about to exit the plane, get our bags, and then I have no idea what we're doing.
We're gonna take things as they come. So it's a pretty good flight. 13 hours went by pretty quickly. I mean, having a whole row of seats to yourself definitely helped.
Yeah. I just can't believe I'm back in the US. I haven't been here in 5 years.
Get the reverse culture shock ready.
After finally reaching Boston, we discovered that our flights to Costa Rica had been canceled. This led to a series of events that involved an extra 10+ hours of travel. Stay tuned for next week's vlog when we finally make it to Costa Rica.
Oh, we're getting official.
I thought I should just get like 1 or 2 shots of me just pretending to box.
Gentlemen, this is a friendly reminder that it is a requirement to wear your face mask over your nose and your mouth for the duration of your flight.
USA.